Okay, this is one of the last remnants of the old railway from the 90s before they removed the old railway back in the 90s. Here where I'm standing, this used to be a railway as well. So you had the main railway that went here. Then you had like a secondary offshoot going from over there across where I'm standing now to over there, went back to where that guy is standing there at the back, and part of it went here past this warehouse here, and oh my gosh, and it's this piece of railway is one of two that's still here. The other one is down at the harbour on one of the piers. And that was like 30 odd years ago. See, right here where I'm walking is where it would have been. Another offshoot, small one, went into over there by that large brown building over there, but I'm not sure if there's still rails left from then. But yeah, this, as I said, is the last bit of railway from more than 30 years ago.